press the bell. You can
okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Masna X here. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process of everything being unpacked. So much that was happening. It was a lot. I was stressed out. I was overwhelmed. I went through a whole emotional roller coaster, but I'm here. Everything's done. It's pretty much organized. My beauty room at this point, 95% done. We're good. Please do leave a thumbs up. It really does help me out with the algorithm. I've heard from other YouTubers. I don't really know. Please do subscribe if you guys are new to this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Paint is really strong.
Don't worry, Chrissy, it'll smell like curry soon.
No, come and see my room. Chrissy, come on. Come and see my bedroom.
You're happy now, aren't you?
Okay, so this is my bedroom. It is smaller than the other one, but I really don't mind because my beauty room is bigger than the other one. This is where they've put the bed. I don't know if I'm gonna have the bed like this. I haven't decided. This, I think, will go in the other room. They're gonna change this. We're gonna change this. So we're gonna paint it, or I'm just gonna get rid of it. For some reason I have decided to put all my clothes in this one. These are all the other stuff that go into this room. This is gonna be my future beauty room. There's so much that needs to be done, guys, and oh my god, I did not realize I had so much stuff, but I kind of do. It's gonna be my future beauty room. So the amazing thing about this room is, I'm so sorry if I look yellow, it's the lighting in here, is this. Look how big this closet space is, and I can literally go through here and come out here. It's great. Can't wait.
When you get the doors taken out, it's gonna look so nice.
Do you reckon I should, or do you reckon I
put your
should?
curtains in again because it looks more spacious, and then you can use this more without this door.
I've got a little sink, which I would normally have an issue with.
What's the long one for?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's
So-
really good light, actually.
I have a sink. I would normally have an issue with the sink, but the amount of issues I've had with William fighting over the sink, because he likes to sit in the bathroom for thousands of years, and when I'm filming I have like so much stuff all over my hands, and I always need to go and wash my hands really quick. It's like we're always fighting over the bathroom, but it's mainly for the sink. We won't have that issue because I've got a sink now. I'm so excited to getting around to actually doing things up. It is so nice. Look at this. There's so much that needs to be done, and I'm so happy with the carpet because I don't have that horrible green carpet. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving all these boxes to one side of the room so we can get one side of the room painted, and then we're going to move all these boxes to the other side of the room and get the other side of the wall painted. And this is what the room looks like right now. There was also a time where I had a bit of like a stress out moment because I spent so long organizing it, decluttering everything. The guy that actually did my beauty room, I believe he was unexperienced, and he kind of just messed my whole system. He packed things wrong, doesn't understand makeup, so he labeled it all makeup. I'm kind of just stuck with loads of boxes I need to sort through again. A stress out moment on my stories about it, nearly cried, but I'm okay now. I'm so over it. Just ready to get sorting stuff out. I've become quite good at like just dealing with stress now. Yeah, it's really weird. Masmi's boyfriend kissed our cat.
This was me. I was like, say anything next. I was like, you know, I was like, oh, that's kind of cute, but then I was like, that's kind of weird too.
She didn't mind, but like I'm gonna have a word with him about this, because you don't go around kissing other people's cat, okay? That's strictly for us, like she's our cat. This is what I got, and then I got some masking tape. I'm just gonna try to find some old clothes. Everything's a bit of a mess right now, but it's all in work in progress. My bedroom is not a big priority to me at all. My biggest priority is my beauty room. On that note, me and Masmi started off by firstly trying to fit as much items and boxes as we could into my big wardrobes, and then everything else that didn't fit we actually put on the other side of the room. Thankfully these wardrobes are so big that it actually fits half of the items from my room, and that cleared up a lot of space for us to start painting the other side of the room. For the last few days I have been painting this wall, cleaning the edges up because it was being so badly done, but now I'm doing the inside here and it is so nasty. Scraping all this out, and I think I'm going to repaint it again, and I'm going to try to fill these up the best I can. Hi guys, future Masna here from a beauty room that's already made. Coming back to the past, but this is what my sink looked like before I'd done stuff to it, and then this is after I filled in the cracks and painted it. Like literally just that little bit made such a big difference. That's all I wanted to say, and that's all I wanted to show up for. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and this is a little sneak peek of what my room's gonna look like next week for the room tour. So it's become nighttime again. I swear the amount of hours I'm working on this is just getting nighttime. I finished all this section. It's looking good. I've done it to my best potential possible, and then I managed to get my brother to help me move all my stuff that was here onto this side. So now I'll be painting all this, and I think I'll be done by today. The walls have all been painted. It's looking very clean. Everything's done to the T, and how I like doing right now is, oh, that was so loud. What we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be putting out the PX system. My brother said he would so kindly help me, so we're going to do that and try to get rid of as much boxes as possible. So that's my aim for today. Kind of want to cut out the boring bits and just get to it. As we were putting up the PX system, me and Will had an argument because he said he didn't want to be in camera, and he's never wanted to be in camera. So I was really upset for this whole time, and I actually held a grudge against him for the next like 3 or 4 days, and then I got over it because we had a bet if I took him to the shops he would help me, and he didn't. My mom actually ended up helping me with the bits that I needed a 2-person to help me do that bit. I just ended up doing the rest myself, just feeling annoyed and overwhelmed. And then after I put up the PX system, I was making sure I was hoovering around everywhere, and I also had to wipe down the PX system because I realized there was some like mud fingerprints, so I did that. And then I also put the drawers in one by one, and then after that I took out one of the Alex drawers because all my Alex drawers had been emptied for some reason. I decided to take this chance to actually deep clean my Alex drawers and just go through every single Alex drawer and the tray and just clean everything out, just so I had a clean base to start putting the stuff back in once I located where the makeup was for this Alex drawer. After I placed the tabletop on, I also unpacked the mirror. I was actually really happy with how they packaged this mirror because it was very safe. There's so many scenes and footage of me just literally staring blankly or just have my arms crossed and just like dawdling around, and that's just me trying to plan out where everything's gonna go, literally racking my brain to the limits, just figuring out, does this look good here, does this make sense, just everything, because obviously I need my room to not only be a creative space and not only look cute for photos or whatever, but I actually need it to be functional. And if it's just looking cute and not functional, it's going to be a nightmare for me to work in. So on the other side of the room, I decided to put the big mirror right next to the window so I'd get a lot of natural lighting when I'm taking outfit photos. So the next day I decided to tackle this light fixture, and I decided that I just didn't want it because it was really ugly and I normally have lighting anyway, but I was really scared to take it out. I thought it was going to electrocute me for some reason, but I managed to take it out to build the second PX system. And once I built that PX system, I actually put it in front of the light fixture, so I didn't have to take it out completely. I just had to like take out the bulky bits, and then the PX system would cover it for me, which actually worked out quite well. Here, as you can see, I've drawn out how I'm laying out my PX system and my Alex drawers, and I've written down what I'm going to put in each one. This was filmed a few days later after I put up my curtains, but at this moment I had everything laid out, and it was actually time for me to go through the boxes and take everything out. And the first things I started actually taking out was the pieces of paper, and I was just like making a neat pile of everything, because we do need to give these boxes and these paper back to the company so they can recycle it or reuse it. Basically just going through everything and just making a pile, like an extensive pile of everything, and just starting to put everything back. There was mess everywhere. I was so over my head, but I knew I needed to get this done. I knew I needed to reorganize everything. There's not parts of me vlogging in this because I just wanted to get it done with. I was so done with it, and it was just every day me waking up, cleaning, organizing, falling asleep, waking up again, cleaning, organizing, falling asleep. And that repeated for a whole week. By the end of the week I was super burnt out, but as you can see here, I am constantly just going into boxes, opening new boxes, and just putting the makeup into the organized sections. And I was just going through each box, just organizing every single bit of makeup that had been taken out and put into boxes. And then after after I did that, I just had like miscellaneous bits everywhere. I didn't really know where to put things, so there'll be a lot of times where I'll be creating new boxes and then having to go through the same boxes, and like things would just move from one place to the other. Some points my mind would just go blank because I had so many things to get through, but I'm happy to say that I made it through. And near the end of this, my mom actually popped in to help me. It just got crazy, but it's done now, and it's actually done, and we can move on. Like, I'm happy, and I can't believe that I went through that, and I don't wish it upon anyone really, because that was stressful, but it's done. Okay, that's all that matters. And right now at this point, my beauty room is more organized than ever, and I'm super happy with how everything is looking. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm so sorry that I didn't film most of it. Near the end, I just thought maybe I shouldn't film too much of it because I want like the final reveal to be like, oh wow, kind of thing. So next week, stay tuned. I will be doing an in-depth vlog of everything that's in my drawer, freshly organized, and I'm going to show you guys what I used to film, how I film, how I've laid my room out, and why I've laid my room out like that. And I've just created little nooks and areas for every single part of my beauty room. I'm really excited to show you guys what I've created, and I'm really excited for you guys to see what I've created. So hopefully you guys tune back in next week. I really hope you guys like this video. I'm so sorry it wasn't as good as the first one, because trust me, I went through some stuff in that process. The only thing that kept me sane was the fact that I had AirPods. Thanks to my boyfriend, he gave them to me. I could just listen to podcasts and audiobooks and stuff like that. So that was the only thing that was keeping me going. I'm just so happy that I don't have to do that for a while. And when I move out of this house, I am going to have an eagle eye on whoever's packing my stuff, because I'm going to be like, no, don't touch that. Like, this is how it's done. But anyways, you live and learn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like down below if you did. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. And I hope you guys are liking these videos, and I'm kind of liking posting these type of videos, so I might do it more. See you guys next week. Stay blessed. Maz thanks. Okay, this is my beauty room. I'm gonna get a little sign that says filming, do not disturb. Hello. I don't like magazine anymore. Maybe we go in the car for 3 hours. You see? You're so weirded out.
It's gonna be raining like for the next 2 weeks, so.
Why did you say that? That's so sad. I can't believe you say something like that. That hurts my feelings.